dinosaur. Really, look here. Oh my God. Alright, let's go.
Let's go, Mama.
Go. No, this way. Do you know what's the next ride?
Yeah. What is this ride called?
No tools allowed, but make the tools wet so that they can run away.
No, it's not.
Oh man.
I don't know what is this? It's a pirate ship.
Oh, guys.
Shoot! Come on, guys, shoot! Come on, shoot! Go. Okay.
Oh, wow.
Wow, we go there. Shoot there, shoot.
Watch out, guys. Woo.
What is that? This is so cool. Tower.
Oh, wow. Be careful. Oh, shoot people over there, Zaka. They shoot you. Look, over there. Get it, left side. Look, he's gonna shoot you over there. There you go.
Okay, good. No more.
Are you wet?
Me too.
Okay, there is more.
Okay, guys, get ready. We gotta go get ready.
Okay, this side, here, go on this side.
Yeah, that's right. Get everybody. Here.
Whoa.
Take the last one.
Shoot them over there. Shoot. Yeah, we got it.
Wow, this was so crazy, right? I got so wet.
Did you how you get wet, Tata?
Yeah, look at me. We got destroyed here.
Wow. We're gonna hit another boat. Wow.
Oh,
No brakes on a boat. Yeah, we do.
yeah. Oh, no more. Oh.